Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and having a great day. Today's video I am going to unbox digital tablet by Wacom. This one is cheap and best for beginners. Wacom 1x CTL 472/KO-CX 6" by 3.5" graphics tablet in red. A link in the description where you can buy this tablet. I got this from Amazon for rupees 3,750 US. There are bigger versions are available if you are interested, but small one will work perfectly fine if you are new in digital art. It comes in a red box and packaging is good. When you open the box, first thing you see is tablet. Comes in a plastic wrap. Surface of the tablet is very smooth. Now let's see what else it comes with. One micro USB cable to connect tablet to your PC and some extra nib for the pen, very important, and small paperwork and instructions. This pen is very light, feels okay, and there are 2 buttons which can be customized, and that's all it includes in the box. One thing can be added and should be added is a glove. And yeah, that is it. Before you use this tablet, you need to download drivers which you can download it from Wacom's website. And these are some of my artwork done by this tablet by me. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and more videos also link in the description. In next video, I am going to show you how you can draw this scenery with this tablet, and more videos are coming soon. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and liking. See you in the next one.